Okay, welcome to part 5 of our Space Invaders game. Let's look at what we have so far. So, we have created our player turtle, we got an enemy and a weapon to fire our enemy. So, when we hit the space button, the bullet touches the enemy. But when the bullet touches the enemy, nothing really happens. Let me show you. So, what we are going to work on is collision. So, basically, what we need to do is determine whether the object is collided. We are going to use a very basic object to check the distance between the bullet and the enemy. So the distance between the bullet and the enemy is less than a certain amount, we will consider that as a collision. So we are going to be using Pythagorean, which is a square plus b square equals c square. Now since we have the x coordinates of our turtles, we can use that to turn it into a mathematical formula and determine the distance. If the distance is less than a certain amount, then we will consider that as a collision. So let's start working on it. So we're going to import a module, import math, and we're going to go right here. Under fire bullet, we're going to import something like def is collision and colon. So on here, we're going to define a turtle 1 and a turtle 2. Under here, distance equals math dot square root. Here what we have to do is math dot pow is turtle1 dot xcor minus turtle2 dot x coordinate. This is going to be big. And comma 2. Here we are going to put a plus math dot pow turtle1 dot y coordinate and not comma is going to be minus turtle2 dot y coordinate and open close brackets comma space 2 space 1 come distance and something's wrong with red dot out turtle1 dot y coordinate. Yeah, I forgot another bracket. Yeah, I have to close a bracket right here. I forgot that. Okay, showing more that kind of things. Turtle1 dot y core, turtle2 dot y core. Here we bracket. Here we don't need a bracket. Yeah, that's it. Sorry guys. Now what we're gonna do is if distance is lesser than 15, we're going to return false. I mean it's return true or else return false. Yeah, right here we have to do like that. And under fire bullet, we just need to fire it. A statement to fire bullet. Where will I get that statement? 1 minute, guys. Yeah, here what we need to do is under bullet state, we're just gonna hit enter, define if bullet state equals ready, and bullet state is state, bullet state equals fire. Just before that, we have to define the bullet state right here. Bullet state is equals, I think it's wait. Bullet state is ready. And next what you want to do is under move the bullet under fire bullet. You have to search for move bullet, and under this we're going to do an if statement. If bullet state equals double equals fire, we're just gonna do a tab on this. That's it. And we have to check to see if the bullet has gone to the top. Now we're going to check that. Check to see if the bullet has gone top for a vacation. Yeah, he's going on a vacation. He really is. If bullet dot y coordinate is lesser than 275, what we want is bullet dot height turtle. Bullet dot height turtle is cell, and the bullet state is going to be ready. And we're going to define another function to check for a collision between the bullet and the enemy. Bullet and enemy collision. So if this collision, what you want to do, which is bullet and the enemy, bullet and enemy, what we want is reset the bullet. So we want to reset the bullet. So bullet dot height turtle is going to be self, and the bullet state is going to be ready equals ready. Okay, forgot the equal. And what we want is bullet dot set position, which is inside the player, 0, space minus 400, and we have to reset the enemy, and enemy dot set position is gonna be minus 200 and 250. Yeah, that should be good. And I think we have one more if statement. Yeah, the collision between player and enemy. So if this collision, that we want to do, which is player and enemy, what we want is player dot height turtle and enemy dot height turtle. Player dot height turtle, and the same for the enemy. Enemy dot Where is the high turtle? Yeah, it's here. And we are going to print as game over. Sorry, I need double quotes. Game over. And we're going to break. Yeah, so let's run that. So when we shoot at the enemy, wait, let me shoot that. Shoot, come on. Just die, you enemy. Yeah, you could see that he is reset to a position. Let me show another collision, but I can't wait to it. So let me set the enemy position to -250 and see what happens. When the enemy hits the player and enemy is gone, and in the output it is set as game over. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye.